Hello guys, welcome to all of you to your YouTube channel Crystal Knowledge. And today's video we are going to start the number system. This is my first video on the digital electronics, and this is the unit 1 of the digital electronics. Okay, so the starting topic of the digital electronics unit 1 is a number system. Okay, I hope you are in your fourth semester, and unit wise we are continue to study of the digital electronics. Okay, so the first unit, number system, in your chapter. So before starting, my those viewers which are new on my channel, I request to you, please subscribe my channel for this type of engineering topics, and hit the bell icon to get the notified of my latest videos. And if you like this video, thumb up for your support, for your love, and share to your friend groups. Okay friends, so firstly we have to know what is the number system. So let's see what's the definition it. So number system is an ordered set of symbol known as digits, okay, which are used to specify any number. Okay students, so number system, what is the number system? Number system is an ordered set of symbols. As in the figure, in this figure you can see here is some sets of symbols, okay, which are specified as a number, okay, known as number system. Okay, so if set of number like this, okay, then it is known as the decimal number system. Means the number started with 0 and ends with 9 is known as decimal number system. Okay, second is 0 and 1. Okay, so the number which are 0 and 1 only is known as binary number system. Okay, third one is the number start with 1 and ends with 7, total 8, is known as octal number system. Okay, and the last fourth is the number start with 0, okay, and here is 9 comes, okay, then start with A, B, C, D, E, and last F. This is known as hexadecimal number system. So I think you understand what is the number system. Number system is an ordered set of symbols known as digits and which are used to specify any number. Okay, and friends, number system has actually 4 types. Here I am giving the examples. Okay, and the number system is actually divided into 4 parts. First is the decimal number system, second is the binary number system, third is the octal number system, and last fourth is the hexadecimal number system. Okay, so I think you understand what is the number system. Okay, so let's see individually all the number system. Okay, so I hope you know what is the number system, and now let's talk about the decimal number system. So friends, here is a decimal number system. Its symbols 10 and the number starts with 0 and ends with 9. Okay, so the decimal number system is a weighted system. System has the 10 symbols and the symbols are as shown in figure. Okay, so for a decimal number system, for this base 10 or radix 10, the position of each digit, okay, the position of each digit in a decimal number indicates the magnitude of quantity represented and can be assigned a weight. Okay, so the weights are positive powers of 10, okay, positive powers of 10, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, just like. Okay, so that increases from right to left, increases from right to left. Okay, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 4. Okay, left to right increases. Okay, so for fractional numbers, okay, for fractional numbers, weights are negative power of 10. Okay, 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 2. For what? For fractional numbers. Okay, for fractional numbers, weights are negative power of 10 that decreases from left to right. Okay, and beginning from 10 power minus 1. So when the numbers in decimal form, okay, after that the weights become negative power of 10. Okay, from left to right. So here you can see the overall decimal systems weights of 10. Okay, here is a decimal point. Okay, and before the decimal numbers, powers over 10 increases from right to left, and before the 10, sorry, after the powers are decreases from right to left. Okay, here you can see express the decimal number 47 as sum of values of each digit. Okay, so this question is you may see in your classes like 7th and 9th. Okay, 47 express in the form 4 into 10 to the power 1 plus 7 into 10 to the power 0. Okay, this is the unit place, this is the 100 place, and as follows as 1000 place. Okay, like this. So express in this way of number 47. Okay, example 2. Okay, before decimal point, power 10 to the power decreases from right to left, and after decimal point, power increases from left to right. Okay, you can see here is a point and 10 to the power 0, 1, 2, and its numbers also 8, 6, 5, like before decimal point, 10 to the power minus 1, 10 to the power minus 2, and its number also. Okay, so their individuals are like this. So this is the question for yourself. Please make these questions and comment your answers. Okay, so let's see what the binary number system. Binary number system is less complicated than the decimal system. Okay, system has two symbols, 0 and 1. Okay, base and radix both are equal is 2. So the two binary digits 0 and 1, the position of 1 or 0 indicates its weight. The weight is a binary number are based on the powers of 2. Okay, in binary number system, the base is 2, and over which we use the power which increases. Okay, like the decimal number system. Okay, the only difference between the decimal number system and the binary number system, only 2 and 10. Okay, in the decimal number system we use the 10, and in the binary number system we use the number 2, and all the principles and the procedures are same as the decimal number system of the binary number system. Okay friends, so it's a formula, okay, to calculate the, for the n bits we can count up to a number. Okay, so the largest number equal to the power n minus 1, let's 5 bits we can count from 0 to 31. Okay, if you have the 5-bit number, then the number counts up to 31. Okay, this type of question is generally asked in your university exams. Second one, this is the structure for the binary number system. Okay, this is a binary point, and before this 2 to the power minus 1 to the power minus 2 means decreases from right to left, and after this power increases from left to right like the decimal number system. Okay, now this is the same as you can see in the decimal number system. Okay, nothing is different. So octal number system, as the word suggests, you have the 8 symbols, means octal means 8. So the 8 symbols you have are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Base and the radix is 8. Okay, the position of each digit in an octal number indicates the magnitude of quantity it represents. Okay, so it is also like the binary number system and the decimal number system, only the difference is the number is only number is here is 8, not 2 like binary, not 10 like decimal. Okay, here is the octal, that's why the number is 8, and all are same like binary and the decimals. So here is your block diagram. Here is the octal point, and before this power decreases, and before and after this power increases. Okay, here you can see this is your octal, and their corresponding their binary number. Okay, 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1. Okay, in my next video I am going to describe how this comes. Okay, so let's see the hexadecimal number system. So as the word suggests, hexadecimal number system means you have 16 symbols. Okay, you have the 16 symbols, and these are like this 0 to 9, then A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, you have the base and the radix is 16, and much more efficient to use and is widely used in the computers and the microprocessors. Okay, hexadecimal number system has a base of 16 composed of 16 digits and alphabet characters, and has 4-bit equivalent binary. Okay, here you can see your hexadecimal numbers. Okay, and this binary and this hexadecimal is converted in the decimal like this. Okay, so if you want the soft copy of this, comment your mail ID. I will provide you all the notes of the digital electronics. So, and if you like this video, thumb up and like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to such type of videos. Uh, this topic is very useful for your university exams, and so thanks for your watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.